Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to slow down YouTube Shorts. To do so, first of all, what you need to do is open your YouTube application and then go through the Shorts. Once you go through it, like one of the Shorts and then go through your profile by clicking on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, click on the liked videos and then select the Shorts. On the top right you will see 3 dots, hit on that. If there is an option of playback speed, then hit on that and adjust accordingly. But if you don't find it, then you can scroll down from the button to repeat the video. So this is the only way to slow down YouTube Shorts. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.